Alright, Chris, this is how we somewhat found your bat, the beginnings of your bat in the woods. A little bit shaved down. Maple bat at its purest. An Eastern bat. What do we pay for this bat? $60, $70? Alright. This is a bat, still work in progress, but this is what that maple bat looks like after you do a little whittling. Still got some more to go, but I'll get that knot out, which I hate that's in there, but I'm getting it. It's getting there. Not quite done yet. And here are the three bats together. Well, all three forms of wood together. That's going to be a 32, custom made 32 and a half bat. Not quite done yet, but hope you like it, Chris. You guys deserve it. Well, you deserve this one. We'll still have to do Aaron's, which is the other maple bat that's not done yet, next to it. And this is what the shavings look like. If anybody doesn't believe that I did it all by my lonesome, I have got some cuts to show you to prove it. Alright, guys.